Ethan, welcome to 2026. Look at the world around you. It is faster, shinier, and more expensive than ever before. According to the final reports for 2025, the average American family spent $84,672 on consumer needs. That was a massive jump of 7.2% from the previous year. Now look at your salary in 2026, Ethan. It struggled to grow by even 3.5%. The machine has expanded its mouth, and it is swallowing your future whole. Your life is being liquidated, one convenient choice at a time.
Ethan, my man! Look at this app. One click and boom, the burger is at your door. Why waste 20 minutes in traffic when you can be grinding? It is a no-brainer. Time is money, bro. Just press the button.
You know, Chad's right. My time is valuable, and I am satisfied with this trade. It's just $10 extra for convenience. It makes my life easier, and I am steady with my budget.
Punishment 1. Food delivery, the wealth transfer. Chad offers you convenience. He tells you that your time is worth more than a drive to the restaurant. But look at the math he is hiding from you. A $12 burger becomes $22 after service fees, delivery fees, and the expected tip. That is an 83% markup for the right not to drive 10 minutes. If you do this twice a week, you lose $1,560 a year. Invested at 8%, that is $7,800 of your future capital burned every single year. You are feeding shareholders with your unborn freedom.
Bro, look at that paint. That new car smell? That is the smell of success, Ethan. Everyone at the office is gonna lose their minds when you pull up in this. It has a 5-year warranty. It is an investment in your personal brand. Just sign the paper.
I feel confident in this decision. $48,000 is a fair price for a reliable ride and the professional image I need to maintain. I am doing this for my family's safety.
Punishment 2. New cars, the depreciation sinkhole. The moment those tires touch the public road, 20% of the car's value evaporates into thin air. On a $48,000 vehicle, that is $9,600 gone before you even reach your house. By the end of year 1, you have lost 30%. Your asset is now worth $33,000, but you still owe $45,000. You burned $39,000 of pure capital over 5 years just to look solid in Chad's eyes. You are trapped in negative equity, owning a metal box that owns you.
But I need to network, Buck. You can't make big moves eating tuna at home. You gotta be in the room where it happens. You gotta spend money to make money, right, Ethan?
Punishment 3. Restaurants, the experience tax. A $14 martini that costs the house $2 in ingredients. A 300% markup for the atmosphere of a room you do not own. A dinner for 2 with drinks is $160. If you do this once a week, you spend $8,320 a year. Compounded at 8% for 20 years, that is $371,000. You are literally eating your early retirement, one chef's special at a time.
Ethan, look, flash sale, 50% off. It is basically free money. You are literally making $50 by buying this shirt right now. Don't let someone else grab it. It is a steal.
I am steady. I needed a new look for the conference anyway, and getting a $100 shirt for $50 is just being a smart shopper. I am being responsible with my budget.
Punishment 4. Wardrobe. The ghost's closet. You spend $2,500 a year on clothing, 80% of which you will wear exactly once before it is forgotten. Chad sees a $100 shirt for $50 and thinks he is winning. He did not save $50, he spent $50 on clutter. Over 30 years, this habit is $113,000 of retirement you are wearing on your back. It is shrinking in the wash, and so is your future.
But it's only $20 a month, Ethan. You get every movie ever made. Don't be a hermit, bro.
I guess I do have a lot of apps I don't use, but $20 really doesn't feel like that much. I'm satisfied with the variety it gives me.
Punishment 5. Subscriptions. The digital vampires. You think $20 here and $15 there is just small change. But in 2026, you own nothing. You lease your joy. The average American now spends $219 every month on automated billing. That is $2,628 a year. Corporations count on your forgetfulness. Over 10 years, this forgotten drain costs you $45,000 of your potential gap. You are being bled dry by lines of code.
Time is money, Buck. I don't have time to meal prep. I would rather pay the $15 and get back to the grind. Right, Ethan? We are busy people.
Spending $15 on lunch saves me an hour of work. It feels like a smart trade-off for my career.
Punishment 6. Fast food. The laziness tax. Since 2019, fast food prices have surged by 55%. That burger meal is $15. If you hit the drive-thru 3 times a week, you hand over $2,340 a year. You are paying a 300% tax on your own inability to plan. The machine loves it when you are too tired to cook.
Dude, look at the screen on this thing. Your old phone is embarrassing. You can't show up to a meeting with that ancient tech. It's only $50 a month. It's basically a cup of coffee a day.
Punishment 7. Tech. The 1% upgrade. You pay $1,200 for a camera that is 1% better and a processor you will only use to scroll. You finance these phones over 36 months. You are paying for the device long after its battery has begun to fail. You traded 3 months of your rent for a status symbol that lives in your pocket.
Ethan, you only get married once. You gotta go big. Everyone is going to be talking about this wedding for years. Don't be cheap on your own wife.
Punishment 8. Weddings. Emotional blackmail. The average American wedding now costs $35,000. The industry exploits your love. They tell you it is your special day, but for them, it is just a payday. Starting a marriage with $35,000 in debt is planting the seeds of its destruction. Financial stress is the leading cause of divorce. You are mortgaging your future stability for a party.
You gotta live a little, Ethan. You need that beach, that sun. Put it on the card and worry about it later. Life is for living, not for spreadsheets.
We want it to be perfect. $35,000 for the wedding and $5,000 for the trip. It's a lot, but I feel confident we can handle the payments. I am steady.
Punishment 9. Luxury travel, the dopamine debt. You cannot cover a $1,000 emergency, but you plan a $5,000 trip. If you put that trip on a card at 24% interest, that vacation will cost you $12,000 by the time you pay it off. You are renting happiness from a bank, and the interest is a debt you will pay with your sweat for years.
4 easy payments, Ethan. It's practically free.
Punishment 10. Buy now, pay later, the psychological cage. 4 easy payments of $50. Your brain says yes, but your wallet says no. Users of these services spend 40% more than they planned. It is a trap designed to bypass the pain of paying.
Did you see this on TikTok? You have to have it. Everyone is buying it. It is a must-have.
Punishment 11. Online junk, doom scrolling debt. You spend $150 a month on gadgets you will never use. In 20 years, that money invested at 8% is $82,000. You are trading a secure future for a drawer full of plastic. Punishment 12. Status facade, the prison for neighbors. A $10,000 fence so Chad thinks you're winning. You are a slave to the opinions of people who don't even think about you. This is status inflation. Every time you get a raise, the machine demands a bigger house and a faster car. Punishment 13. The silent killer. Interest rates. In 2026, the average APR hit 24%. If you owe $10,000 and pay only the minimum, you will pay back $25,000 over a decade. You gave the bank $15,000 for nothing. This is the final veto. Your gap is destroyed. Game over, Ethan.
Wait. How much did you say? $15,000 just for interest? I am starting to see it now. The gap, it has been bleeding this whole time. I am done playing their game.
I did not show you this to scare you, Ethan. I showed you this because you cannot fight a ghost. Now the ghost has 13 names. Every dollar you stop giving to the machine is a brick you reclaim for your own fortress. $1,000 a month saved from these punishments, invested for 15 years, is $350,000. That's a decade of freedom you just bought back. Subscribe, and I will give you the tools to rebuild. I will show you how to increase your capital and finally feel like a truly free human being. Don't just watch, build your move.